welcome to Drive Dynamic, your go-to destination for everything that rolls, roars, and redefines the road. If it's bold, built with precision, and designed to push the limits of comfort and capability, we bring it straight to you. And today, we're taking you on a journey into the future of travel. Get ready to explore the incredible 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a luxurious, smart, and sustainable house on wheels that could completely change how we think about road trips, full-time travel, and life on the move. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome isn't just another camper. This is an experience. It's for people who want freedom, flexibility, and functionality without sacrificing luxury or performance. From the outside, this beast looks elegant yet purposeful. It combines Volvo's clean Scandinavian design with the rugged durability needed to handle long highway miles, mountain passes, and wild off-grid destinations. The sleek profile of the motorhome has been designed with advanced aerodynamics in mind. Smooth curves reduce drag, while strong body lines make it look sharp and modern. Up front, the signature Volvo grille is integrated beautifully with the LED headlight system, giving the vehicle a high-tech premium face. Massive side mirrors feature integrated cameras for blind spot detection, and the sides have flush-mounted windows that electronically tint for privacy and UV protection. It rides on a heavy-duty chassis that Volvo engineers have adapted from their commercial truck division, ensuring maximum stability and durability. This is not a converted van or a rebadged box. It's built from the ground up as a luxury home on wheels. The high-strength aluminum and composite body panels help keep weight manageable while offering better insulation and weather resistance. Powering the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is an advanced plug-in hybrid system. A turbocharged 6-cylinder diesel engine works in harmony with a large electric motor and battery pack. You get up to 700 miles of range on a full tank and charge, and up to 60 miles of pure electric driving for silent operation in campgrounds or eco-sensitive areas. The motorhome is also equipped with rooftop solar panels and an energy management system that stores excess energy to power lights, appliances, and climate control. Step inside, and you enter a space that's more boutique apartment than RV. Volvo's design team has taken their award-winning interior philosophy and scaled it to motorhome size. Every inch is optimized for comfort and style. The living area features plush modular seating that converts easily into a guest bed. The soft Scandinavian textiles, ambient LED lighting, and panoramic smart windows create a bright and calming environment. Facing the lounge is a retractable 50-inch old screen connected to a full smart entertainment system. Streaming, gaming, video conferencing, it's all at your fingertips. Beneath the screen is an ethanol fireplace for a touch of cozy luxury. Even in remote locations, move into the kitchen and you'll be blown away by the high-end features. There's a dual-burner induction cooktop, a steam and convection oven combo, a deep farmhouse sink with touchless controls, and a full-size refrigerator with a freezer drawer. The countertops are made from eco-friendly recycled stone, and every cabinet has soft close mechanisms. This kitchen isn't just stylish, it's built to cook real meals on the road. Opposite the kitchen is a multifunctional workspace. It's got a motorized sit-stand desk, integrated dual screens, wireless charging surfaces, and a secure satellite internet connection. Whether you're working remotely, editing travel content, or running a business from the road, this motorhome makes it possible to stay productive without compromise. Now, let's talk about the bathroom. And forget everything you know about cramped camper bathrooms. This one is more like a spa. There's a walk-in rainfall shower with a teak bench, a ceramic toilet with built-in bidet and heated seat, and a backlit vanity with tons of storage. The entire bathroom space is separated by a sliding glass door for privacy and luxury. At the rear is the master bedroom. This is where Volvo truly shows off its design expertise. A queen-size bed with an orthopedic memory foam mattress is surrounded by soft-touch paneling, ambient lighting, and personal reading lights. Above the bed is a retractable stargazing skylight. There's even underbed storage with power outlets to charge gear like bikes, drones, or e-bikes. One of the most impressive features is the smart climate control system. Using temperature sensors throughout the cabin, the motorhome automatically adjusts heating, cooling, and airflow to keep each area comfortable. There's even a night mode that keeps the sleeping area cooler and darker while maintaining airflow. Everything is controlled through the integrated infotainment system or the companion app on your phone. Speaking of technology, this motorhome is packed with it. Volvo's full safety suite is here: adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane centering, and trailer assist. There's also an auto-leveling suspension system, making it easy to park and stabilize even on uneven terrain. The 360-degree camera system with drone integration lets you monitor your surroundings or get aerial footage of your campsite. You'll also find a retractable exterior awning with built-in lighting and speakers, outdoor kitchen hookups, and even a slide-out electric grill station. If you're the type who loves campfire cooking or hosting friends, the outdoor setup is perfect. Storage is incredibly well designed. You have exterior compartments with weatherproof seals, a full-width rear garage for bikes and gear, and modular storage solutions inside that adapt to your lifestyle. Whether you're off-roading, boondocking, or heading to a luxury RV resort, this Volvo motorhome adjusts to your needs. Volvo has also emphasized sustainability. Materials throughout the interior are vegan-friendly and sustainably sourced. The water system includes a purification and recycling system that filters and reuses gray water for the toilet and irrigation, reducing your impact while increasing autonomy. So what does this all cost? Starting at around $200,000 and climbing with options, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is not for bargain shoppers, but it offers something few competitors do: a perfect blend of tech, safety, style, and sustainability. It's for digital nomads, adventurers, families, and retirees who want more than just a camper. They want a new way of life. When you compare it to other high-end motorhomes like the Mercedes-Benz, Marco Polo Horizon, or Winnebago's latest flagship, the Volvo stands out with its smart hybrid tech, its futuristic interior, and its unmatched safety features. This isn't just about driving. It's about traveling better, living smarter, and staying connected without sacrificing serenity. If you've ever wanted to hit the road without leaving comfort behind. If you dream of working from a mountaintop or watching the sunset from your bed, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome might just be the key to unlocking that lifestyle. Thanks for joining us today on Drive Dynamic. If you found this video inspiring, informative, or just plain cool, hit that like button and subscribe. We bring you the most innovative rides from around the world every week, from hypercars to motorhomes and everything in between. Until next time, keep your wheels rolling and your spirit free. Drive Dynamic is your road to the future. Let me know if you want a viral title, description, keywords, and hashtags to go with this script.